Ever wondered how pressing a key creates an exact letter every time? Your finger pushes down, but the letter moves up. That reverse direction is pure mechanical genius. Between the metal letter and the paper sits the ink ribbon. It's not liquid ink, it's a fabric strip soaked in ink. When the type bar hits, it presses ribbon against paper. The letter imprint transfers. The ribbon advances slightly. If you type too fast, two type bars collide mid-air. Why? Because each type bar shares limited space. They swing toward the same point. But here's the twist. This wasn't a flaw. It forced typists to develop rhythm space keystrokes evenly. It created typing technique. When you reach the end of the line, you pull the big lever. That does three things at once: slides carriage back, rotates paper, up one line, resets typing position, one motion. Three mechanical events. A vintage typewriter converts vertical finger force into horizontal motion, transfers ink without cartridges, spaces letters using microcontrolled gear, release, stores energy in springs, needs zero electricity. A laptop runs on code, a typewriter runs on physics. Follow and subscribe.